If you are looking for the best aux cable, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on a personal preference and started it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Severin 3.5mm male-to-male aux cable. Many male-to-male aux cable claims to have a universal fit, but this cable from Severin is the closest we have seen to actually backing up that claim. We have tried it in smartphones, MP3 players, tablets, car stereos, speaker systems, and everything else we can find that makes a pleasant noise. While some require a bit of force to snap into place, each one has ultimately fit and worked to a high standard. There's a lot more to recommend this product over all the others. It's a very long cable, making it ideal for listening into the bathtub or anywhere else in which you feel too comfortable to get up. It is also a great choice for large group meetings, especially work conferences and church gatherings. The gold plating ensures near zero interference, leading to unprecedented clarity of sound with a stellar transfer rate. There are a few downsides. While the sound reminds us of high-quality headphones, the price unfortunately does too. Be prepared to pay a bit more for this cable. Also, as we mentioned, it can take some pushing to fit this cable into some older model smartphones and tablets. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Amazon Basics male-to-male stereo audio aux cable. Driving to and from work every day can get boring if you have nothing to listen at. If you're looking for an aux cable that offers value for the money, this may just be it. It lets you listen to music, audiobooks, or audio files all day. Use it to connect your phones, to connect your car stereos, and enjoy your favorite music or audio files on the go. To get started, connect one end of the cable to the 3.5mm audio jack on your phone and the other end to the aux in port in your speakers, headphones, car stereo, or audio output device. Gold-plated plugs on each end makes for reliable performance and minimal signal loss. The gold plating also makes the aux cable resistant to corrosion. The cable has a narrow shaft and easily connects through phone and tablet cases. But despite its many awesome features, it does have a few issues. Unlike many high-quality aux cables, its ends are not properly shielded and can carry an electrical charge. In addition, you cannot use it in situations where the audio files goes through more than one source. It will produce an unpleasant hum. The number 3 position is held by Fast Power Audio aux cable. This cable features a 24K gold-plated connectors to resist corrosion and reduce tarnish. The copper-braided aluminum foil shielding provides cable flexibility and reduces undesired EMI RFI interference. Its polyethylene foam dielectric insulator minimizes signal loss, and the tin-plated copper reduces oxidation and increases wildlife. It's available in lengths ranging from 1 to 25 feet. The combination of foil and braided copper shielding helps prevent static and loss of signal, and it produces a nice clean sound with the excellent sound quality transfer. The cable is sturdy, thick, and well made. The ends are firmly attached, and it fits directly into your phone with the case on. The cable is nice and flexible and is easy to move around without getting tangled or kinked. One problem is the cable may come loose every now and then. Over time, it may become position sensitive and only work when it's lined up in a certain way. The cable can break or start crackling after a short period of use. It may also fail to lock in properly on some phones, causing it to come loose during rough conditions. Next at number 4, we have Media Bridge audio cable. Media Bridge is a well-known company that produces reliable and high-quality cables. This particular model is highly popular because of the excellent sound quality and compatibility with different devices. You can plug it in all kinds of smartphones and MP3 players, even when they have different type of cases. Measuring 3.5mm, the cable is compatible with almost any device including iPods, laptops, and earbuds. Once plugged in, it enables impressive audio output without any kind of noise and vibration. What makes the cable even more appealing is the sturdy construction. It features gold-plated plugs that are corrosion-resistant and very durable. They allow for crisp sound and reduces the chance for signal loss. Additionally, the step-down design ensures a secure connection at any time, regardless of case, size, and shape. Still, there are few things to keep in mind with this product. The main drawback is the overall stiffness of the cable. Due to the lack of flexibility and plastic rings around metal plugs, the cable requires a special handling and shouldn't be wiggled a lot for storage. Also, the plugs tend to loosen up after a while, so you might need to screw them back on from time to time. The number 5 position is held by IXCC aux audio cable. IXCC is a widely popular brand trusted by many users. Here it delivers a well-made aux cable you can use with all kinds of devices. You can plug it into phones, iPods, tablets and MP3 players and enjoy the quality sound when on the go. The cable features dual shielding connectors made from polished metal. They are gold-plated, very durable and suitable for daily and heavy use. The tangle-free design also makes the cable quite convenient for transportation and storage. The cable measures 3.5 mm, which means it plugs into all standard jacks. Even more important, it ensures you get clear and crispy sound at every listening. Without signal loss or annoying noises, it provides also a secure and stable connection. It's important to notice how thick this cable is, though it might not fit into small ports and will require some modifications. Also, some buyers reported issues with occasional noises. The cable might produce a loud pop now and then. Finally, at number 6 with the StarTech aux cable. If you are looking for a budget-friendly cable, this might be an excellent choice for you. StarTech offers an excellent combination of high sound quality and durability at a low price. You get to use the cable with iPods, MP3 players and phones without experiencing noises and other sound interference when on the road. This is a 3.5 mm aux cable that comes in different lengths, so you get to choose the one that suits you the most. All of them plug into the standard car jack and ensure you get excellent music experience while driving. Another great thing about this cable is the fact that it comes with molded, gold-plated connectors. They reduce the chance of losing the signal and overall prolong the life of the aux cable. There are, however, a couple of things you should know about this product. The cable is very thin and light, and while that allows for more versatility and easier storage, it also influences the overall durability of the product. The cable feels a little flimsy and requires careful handling. It also might not be a perfect option for heavy use. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.